Alright, let's go!
Ready. Let's fight.
Carlos Alvarez in the red, Abbasi in the black.
Quick first jab there from
Uy,
Alvarez.
Mont takedown agad. Yes, sir!
With a nice pickup technique there.
Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya dito sa
To
ground.
the side control.
Ito ang ating idol.
All the Team Lakay athletes are now, as you can see, no longer one-dimensional. Work very, very hard to improve their grappling.
Yes, sir. Especially ngayon, almost nagfo-focus na sila sa ground game.
Pressure heavy.
Ayan, so tignan natin, no?
It's a signature
So, ipipin down niya yung right arm. Tignan natin kung mako-complete.
Work to the half guard.
So, wala.
The grip that he has around the
Okay,
neck
medyo
is
konting
actually
ground
stopping him from
and
progressing,
pound.
but it's also
Para lang palambutin ng konti.
so it's not able
Yun,
to
side
strike
control.
strikes from the
Yes,
top.
sir.
Alvarez
Ipipin niya
passes
yung
hard.
right. Tingnan natin.
Side control there.
Wala pa.
Like you said,
Nag-adjust
Abbasi
pa lang
holding
siya.
the head, pinning down Alvarez, but he needs to let that go. Use that to frame,
Yun na.
try to re-guard, create space to stand up. But a big takedown early for Alvarez.
Kita nyo yun, yung focus niya sa kwan na hinahawakan niya yung sa left ankle na itong kalaban niyang si Abbasi, no? Boom. Nice. Nice waist.
Let's see if he can progress the situation and
Uy, full mount.
there. Which again, he needs to release his head.
Uy, yun lang. Mukhang
Any kind of significant striking from the top.
He's got a guillotine locked in, but
Guillotine.
will
Wala,
he be able to get
pero
that leverage
mukhang
back
wala
in
naman
his flat?
siguro.
We need to
Wala.
keep the angle.
Masyadong makakuan yung space.
But at the moment, full
Ang pangit dito, guys, ay, nako, is yung sa hindi siya cage, no? Takedown once again, yes sir. Complete. At ngayon, nasa likod na siya.
In control from the top here. Abbasi can't count him out here. He is threatening with the Kimura from here.
No.
So again,
Kanina yung
watch out
guillotine.
for the transition.
Ay, rear naked pala.
Abbasi like we know. Oh, that's a
Uy!
beautiful
Uy!
armbar.
Armbar. Let's go.
Abbasi.
Pero mukhang
Jump
naka-alis
on the legs.
siya. Yun nga, nakaalis.
Excellent turn of the corner there from Abbasi. Now he's on top. Let's see what kind of work he can put in.
Okay, let's see. Oh, stand up. Let's go.
Taking deep breaths.
Nice left hook. Uy, nice left din para kay Abbasi.
He's not afraid to strike.
Uy.
Alvarez. A nice right kick.
Okay, sabi niya striking. Okay, let's go sa striking. Ooh, nice body shot.
Shot by Alvarez. Alvarez seems to be a lot slicker on the feet, more natural. Abbasi throwing single shots that are hard.
Medyo bara-bara yung striking netong si Abbasi, no? Orthodox. Wide punches. Ooh, liver shot again.
Squaring up.
Siguro dalawang liver shot pa, wala na, tulog na tong isa.
Abbasi throws
Si Abbasi.
haymaker, but misses.
Naramdaman niya yun for sure. Pasok na pasok yun sa liver.
Their debuts here in this show is a global show.
Striking gusto mo? Sige, ibibigay ko sa'yo, sabi ni Alvarez.
Transitions in the first round. How will the gas tank hold up?
Diba orthodox yung striking netong si Abbasi.
As Alvarez
Which is okay din naman, as long as tumama.
there.
Again, considering Alvarez's strong striking background, Abbasi showing
Uy, kumunik yun ha, in fairness, kumunik yun.
strikes every time he tries to close
Yung
the
sa spinning elbow. Uy, once again, takedown, pangatlo na yan.
Takedown again from Alvarez to end up in the half guard of Abbasi. Let's see.
Pero rear naked ulit, wala, masyadong... Uy, 1 minute na pala.
Not the best option. He needs to frame up, create space again to stand up.
Nice one. Talagang minimix na ng Team Lakay ang ground at striking, which is good.
For Carlos Alvarez.
Again, Abbasi not really looking to advance here as long as he remains on his back, flat on his back. Stay on his side,
Ground and
search
pound
underhooks and try
by
to
Alvarez.
better chance he has of gaining some momentum, John.
30 seconds left in the first
There
round.
was some scoring shots.
Uy, ay, behind the back. Pero hindi talaga maiwasan yun eh. Pag biglaan na yumuko Iman. Uy, full mount, ground and pound, let's go.
Nice match.
Ooh. Ooh,
Punches on Abbasi.
let's go.
Finished before the
pumapasok, no? May mga nabablock pero marami rin pumapasok. Tulad nun. Parang isang block, tas isang pasok. Nice, nice. Round 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so sa atin ang round 1, mga idol. Sa atin ang round 1.
Fantastic into the round.
Hey, round 1 sa atin ang round 1, mga idol. Let's go, let's go. Team Lakay. Sayang, no? Pasok yung dalawang body shot niya. Tas magaganda yung mga takedown. Boom, yun, no? Pumasok yun. Tas eto, ground and pound. Ulit, pack. Diba? Block, tapos pasok. Block, pasok. Nice knee. Sa ground. Boom! Huli, panga. Boom! Isa ulit doon, di ba? Meron sa striking and sa ground. We're both winning sa round 1. Pero syempre, hindi tayo papakampante dyan. No? Andyan si Abasi for a reason. Okay? So, syempre, respect rin natin yung kanyang opponent. Okay, guys? So, round 2. Let's go!
But again, Abasi showing no sign of backing down. Low kicks to start the round.
Oy! Nag-takedown attempt.
Double leg from Abasi.
But sorry, Keely, Abasi the one.
Mm. Nahuli ulit, oh.
The low kicks were working very
Kailangan niyang bantayan yung kanya. Yung stomach niya.
That's some great coaching.
Yung sa liver right niya.
No surprises. Mark Sangya.
Okay, tignan natin kung makakomplete. Yes, sir. Complete once again.
From Alvarez again to hit the takedown and progress into the half guard.
Nice. Chip shot sa body. Once again.
Hopefully
Oh.
he can move to the way they finished the first round into the mount, but not really looking to advance his position.
Yun, oh. Yun ang pangit pag sa ring.
Yeah, Abasi did not have his legs locked.
Uy, nice. Nakapin down na sa kanyang chan, no? Oh. Ang bigat niyan. Mahirapan siyang huminga. Sa part na yan. Ground and pound.
Was to get to that side control position, look to do more damage. In the first round was Alvarez trying to hold a little bit. You see now doing a little
Okay.
bit more damage. Trying to
Kailangan lang
balance
mag
away
yung
with the
stay yung
strikes.
composure para hindi mawala. Okay.
Abasi getting a warning
So-
from the referee. No kicking to the back of the head.
Oh.
Easy transition
Yun.
there to mount from Alvarez.
Mount ulit.
Right on the edge.
Kuan na yan eh. Fix na yung sa hips niyan eh. Heavy hips yan. Basta pag team Lakay, heavy hips yan.
Damage inside the mount position with the ground and pound, but not enough power to do the significant damage enough to put Abasi away. So Herb Dean,
Grabe.
seasoned
Yung
veteran
mga,
as he is as a referee,
ano tawag dito?
knows when
Siko.
the fighter's in danger. Abasi not in danger yet, even though this is a dominant position, and a huge cut there opens.
Meron na. Dahil yun sa kwan, Siko.
Definitely from the elbow
Sakit
of
nun.
Alvarez.
Dire.
With the strikes, the punches, and the elbows from the top.
Nakaka-block pa rin, no? Pero may mga pumapasok pa rin talaga. Wala na, wala na. It's over. It's over. Uy, hindi, hindi. Pumalag, pumalag.
Good job from Abasi.
Nice, nice, nice.
To continue his fight.
Okay, so bigay natin yung respect and syempre kay Abasi, no? At nakasurvive siya.
Right as you said that, he needed
Boom.
to advance his position, needed to re-guard, goes right back into half guard here. But Alvarez just relentless with the ground and pound. If he has another explosion there, I think the referee might stop it.
Really dominant grappling from Alvarez here. Showing that he's able to
Nako,
transition
nako.
from controlling position on top.
Hindi, hindi, hindi.
Still land strikes.
Meron
He's
naman
doing
yung sa
so.
left arm niya doon. Naka-kwan. Okay. Nice, nice.
Abasi really looking to close the show here. Increasing the pressure.
2 minutes pa yan. Grabing kwan yan. Murder. Murder. Ano tawag kasi doon? Grabe, oh.
Lovely
Di niya
pass
mabaliktad.
there into the side
Uh,
and strikes from the
Tapos
top here from
magko-crucifix.
Alvarez.
Nako. Ay, hindi, hindi. Ayun. Binigay niya yung sa likod niya.
Into the turtle position. Let's see if he can
Wala na, wala na to.
reset the position because
Uy,
really
pero
he's
kwan ha.
taking a lot of
Pumapalag-palag
damage
pa rin
from
siya.
And they're accumulating over
Pero
the course of this round, just
1 minute 30 seconds. Ang tagal pa niyan.
pouring on the pressure. He wants to get Abasi out of there.
high mount now from
Mm.
Alvarez. Big elbows from the top. How
Sa neck
much
yun.
damage can Abasi take?
Ang hirap niyang huminit sa part na yan.
Abasi moves his head over to the ring to try and deflect some of the damage coming down from Alvarez, but that's it.
Wala na, wala na.
The referee has
Woo! Grabe! Ground and pound. Let's go! Tingnan natin, baka may bonus to, no? Para sa akin, bonus yun. Dominance. Grabe.
in the second round.
Sana mabigyan, no?